we have the three philosophies, Dvaita, Advaita and Vishishtadvaita. Many times people think that these philosophies are wrong, all different. They are not actually different. You see, for example, suppose I ask you, is there a difference between wave and ocean? What will be your answer? Answer can differ depending upon the standpoint. With respect to shape and size, definitely yes, wave cannot be ocean. Wave is small, ocean is big. So wave is not equal to ocean with respect to size. Correct? Now, from another standpoint, wave, so that is Dvaita philosophy. Now from another standpoint, you can say wave is a part of ocean. That becomes Vishishtadvaita. The part of the whole. That is also right. Wave is a part of ocean. The first one is also right. Wave is not equal to ocean. Now the third one. Essence of wave is nothing but essence of ocean. Both are water. Essence of wave equal to water. Essence of ocean is also water. That becomes Advaita. So all the three philosophies are right from their own standpoint. So this is a beautiful question asked by Bhagavan Ramchandra ji to Hanuman ji. Hanuman, what do you think of me? So then Hanuman ji said, Deha buddhya tu dasoham, jiva buddhya tu adamshakah, atma buddhya tu mevaham, iti me nischalamati. Bhagavan, this is my firm conviction. Deha buddhya tu dasoham. From the standpoint of the body, Bhagavan, I am your dasa, a servant. So that becomes Dvaita. Jiva buddhya tu adamshakah. Bhagavan is a jiva, I am your amsha, part, whole relationship. That is Vishishtadvaita. Atma buddhya tvamevaham. The self in me is yourself. From the standpoint of consciousness, there is no difference. Iti me nischalamati. So therefore, these three philosophers are not fighting with each other. All the three are right from their own standpoint.